Can you say, Glama, I love you?
Mama, hi.
Thank you. Hi everyone, Glama here. So I just wanted to make hopefully a short video. I just got back from Walmart and I wanted to show you a little haul and also try on some of the stuff that I bought because I know you guys like try on hauls. Me, not so much because I still haven't lost that weight that I keep saying that I want to lose. Let me throw on some perfume. I always feel like I need to smell good even though you guys can't smell me. I'm using DKNY Be Delicious. Anyway, what should I start with? Let me start with the boring stuff. I bought some command hooks, some little command hooks, 2 sets of them. Each of them have 12 hooks. And what I'm gonna do with that is, you guys know that I do paparazzi now, paparazzi jewelry. And so what I'm gonna do, I don't know if you can see this, but you know those project boards, like those science, the science projects that we do as kids when we're in school and stuff. Well, I bought this whiteboard and it even has a little area here where I can write a message. So I'll probably put only $5 and whatever, and then I'm gonna hang those little hooks from here and I'm gonna hang my jewelry from here. So that's what this is. This was only 3 something. The command hooks were $5 each. So I bought that for that project. And then I also bought little sticky notes. I wanted these little skinny ones mostly because, here, let me get up for just a second. Like, let's say that when I order more jewelry, I'm going to order like 5 of some, 6 of some, and so I want a little sticky note back here so that I can tell everyone I have 4 of these, and then I'll change it. I have 3 of these now or whatever. So I'm gonna be hanging these, I'm gonna be sticking these little sticky notes onto the back so that I can, you know, kind of remember what to tell everyone during my paparazzi parties. Okay, so there's that. And then I bought some pink Post-it notes so that when someone buys something, I just write their name down and then I write the number that they want. Like right here, this was Val Goralski and she wanted number 19 and number 21 a few days ago. So I wrote that down, and so I've been just going like this and trying to write it on my hand. But I bought this little cute clipboard. See, it's got cute little design. And it's got these elastics so you can put that in there. It even has this part up here, but I thought this was cute to have that as well because I can even switch it to the back and I can put the pen here. See how they have the pen and other little stuff on the back? So I thought that was a cute idea. So this was cute. This was only a couple bucks. And then the next boring thing that I got is just batteries. We always need batteries. Petrova needed batteries for some of her toys. Okay, and then the next thing that I bought are these shirts right here for $2.92. So here's the one I'm wearing now. I put this on just because at the end of the video I'm going to put on some sweats that I bought and just call it a day and just be comfy for the rest of the day. So this is what this one looks like, and it was $2.92. And these are the other colors that I got them in. This is a really popular color, this mustard yellow. So I also got it in this, on the camera it looks more yellow. In person it's more of a mustard yellow. But you see it was only $2.92. So there's that one. I'm not going to try all of them on for you. That's why I put one on so that you would see what it fits like. And then I bought a pretty blue one. I have these same shirts but in long sleeves. So, and I do have some in short sleeves that I've bought in previous years. But I don't have these particular colors, so that's why I only bought these colors. Oh, I forgot to get the gray one. I wanted the gray one, I think. Yeah, I put it back, darn it. Okay, so I also got it in white, and I already have it in white, but you know how sometimes white clothes gets kind of dingy-ish? So, darn it, I put the gray one back. I didn't mean to do that. So I bought 3, 4. I meant to buy 5. So that's what's in that bag. So the next thing that I got is this dress. I've been eyeing it. I love this material. They have blouses and they have dresses. Normally they are $9.92. It was on sale for $7. So that's really cute. So this is, I hope it looks cute on me. I hope it doesn't look too young. But it's, you know, with summer and spring coming, I wanted to get some stuff to wear around the house, put flip-flops on or put wedges on and go shopping or whatever. So there's that. I'll try all this on at the end. And then the next thing that I got is, it was $10.92 and it was on sale for $7, is this right here. I'm always cold, even in the summertime, because we have the AC on, I'm always cold. So this has a hoodie right here, and what it is, it's like, I guess you could wear it as a dress if you wanted to, because it wasn't in the nightgown area, it was in the clothes area. But I mainly did it like for pajamas or just to lounge around in when I get home from shopping and just want to kick my shoes off and relax. And it has these, I forget what these pockets are called. There's a particular name for these pockets that go all the way through. So anyway, I love this. I have a shirt that's kind of like this with the stripes, so I really like that. And yeah, you can loosen that, and that way the hoodie's not so scrunched up. So that's cute. I'll try that on in a little bit too. And then at the end, I'll try these on, because I'll end up leaving these on. So these are just sweats that were normally, how much? These were normally $12.88, so 13 bucks. I hope they fit me because I bought small. And so that's what these look like. So at the end, I'll just leave this on. Wow, it matches almost perfectly. Oh my goodness. So this brand is No Boundaries. I think everything I got. Yeah, everything I got is No Boundaries. Okay, so let me try on, I'll try on this dress, and then this, and then the sweats, and I'll be right back. Oh, and I don't know if you noticed, but I wore my Louis Vuitton belt. Okay, so here is this, well, let me look in the mirror. Oh, it's cute, I like it. Might be a little young for me, but I like it, it's cute. With some wedges, yeah. So here's what this looks like. Cute, right? It's adorable. Still have the tag on. Yeah, so that's cute. Does this untie? Oh, this even unties if you don't want the little girl bow on there. I think the bow's cute. I'm just gonna make it a little smaller. That's cute. Yeah, so that's adorable. This was a good bargain because I almost bought it at $9, so I'm glad I waited for it to be $7. Okay, so there's this item right here. Let me get a picture. Okay, I'm gonna go try this one on now. Okay, so here it is. Let me look in the mirror too. Cute. So I bought this in size medium. All they had was a medium and a large. Sleeves are long, but that's because it's medium. I like the pockets. Cute. So here it is more close up. Here are the pockets. Here's the hoodie. Yeah, I like it. Let's see what the hoodie looks like. Cute. Very, very cute. Yeah, I like it. All right, let's get a picture. Okay, on to the last item, which are these sweatpants. I hope they're not too tight in the butt. They did have these in different sizes, so of course I won't take the tag off. Just in case they don't fit, I can go and exchange them. So okay, I'll be right back. Actually, I can probably try these on right here. Cool, they fit. They're a bit tighter than I want, but let me go get my shirt back on and I'll show you. Okay, so here they are. They are a bit tighter than I want, but I am in the process of losing weight. As a matter of fact, I just lost a pound this week, so I'm going down little by little. Okay, so here it is, and here's the detail right here, the little colors. I love it. I love the fact that it has elastic right there as well. So I think it looks good. Little tight, like I said. tight on the booty. So usually you want things loose when you come home and want to relax. So I still have to lose about 10 pounds to fit comfortable in these, but this will work. Okay, so here it is closer up. Here's the little detail right there on the one leg. So yeah, not bad. Not good, but not bad. It'll look better once I've lost the weight. So anyway, let me get a picture and then we will say goodbye. Okay guys, so that is everything. Like I said, it was a small haul, so hopefully I can edit this into a small video. Alright, so I do have some thrift store stuff that I need to try on, so we'll do that as a try-on haul next. I was just waiting to kind of lose a little bit of arm fat because some of the sleeves fit me a little tight on those shirts, but they're just tops. I think I have like 6 or 7 tops that I bought. And so yeah, we'll be doing that, and then I'm not sure what you'll be seeing from me next. I don't know if you'll see a vlog on Friday or not. We'll see. If any of you have not gone and checked out my Facebook online paparazzi parties, you need to go do that. They are so much fun. I just had one last night and I sold a few things, and then Sunday I sold like 10 things, and then I sold like I think 24 things on my website. But even if you don't have time to go and check me out live on Facebook, I'll always have a link down below in the description box of my paparazzi website, and I have so much more stuff on there than I do on my actual live parties that I have. But I just think it's kind of fun to hang out, chit chat, have a glass of wine, glass of tea, cup of coffee, whatever, and we can chit chat and look at pretty jewelry. You can share the video while it's live. You can share it, you can tag friends, you can share it to your timeline and have more of your friends join us. Okay, so they're usually about an hour long. You don't have to stay the whole hour, and even if you don't feel like purchasing anything, show up anyway so we can have fun. And so you can tell me the types of jewelry that you like. That way I know what to order for my inventory every time that I reorder. So I'm waiting for another shipment. That should be coming either Friday or Saturday, and I ordered so much stuff, and I ordered like a few items of each, so it's not going to be one and done where once somebody buys it, that's it, it's gone. I'm going to at least have 2 or 3 items of each thing, or 2 or 3 of each item. So alrighty guys, that's it. That's all I got to say, and don't forget to go check out my website. Don't forget to go check out the links that I leave down below of my 2 live paparazzi parties, just so you can get an idea of what a live Facebook paparazzi party is. And if you go and check it out and it looks like fun to you, and it's so super easy, if any of you guys are looking like for a side job or looking to make a little more cash so that you can make your car payment or whatever it is that you are working towards, this is a good gig. I've already made my $99 starter kit money back. I've already made that back and then some. So this is really, really good. You get to stay home, you call your own shots, your own hours, and yeah. So if you guys join, you can just click on that link, the website link, and hit the join button and choose me as your consultant, and you can be on my team, Team Glamarazzi. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, besitos, adios!